The new Corolla Cross. Fill it with friendship and family. The new Corolla Cross. Filled with life.
It is TV, powered by World Sports Betting. It is times.co.za. It's Kaizer Chiefs 0, Orlando Pirates 3. Mdlalo webhetho Premiership FNB Stadium. Sold out i-derby yokuqala yale season. We still have another upcoming derby in April. I think towards the end of April, we will have a second leg at the very same stadium, obviously. So to derby zawidlala pha. But namhlanje besibukele noBobzini. Bobzini, unjani mhlobam?
Ngiright mngani wami kunjani nje?
I'm okay.
Yeah. Akudingi ukuthi ngikubuze sheni ngithi njani kahle kahle sengiyadlulisa. I know ukuthi right. Ngibulisa uJust, ngibulisa uMr Nkeo, ngibulisa uJunior, ngibulise noTso. Uhlekani mngani wami? Awungitshela.
Uyayazi ni right mhlobam?
Yeah, akudingi ukuthi ngikubuze mngani wami. Ene ngiyacama ukuthi ungangitshela ukuthi leyo ihamba njani lapha phezulu. Kwenzakalani lapha ku table sheni?
Buke wathi kudlala iyoyo mhlobam.
Injalo sheni. Yeah, injalo sheni.
Tomorrow we might see someone going top. Yabo.
But angeke kube lula. Ucabanga ukuthi lamagoli angene namhlanje phela bekuyimvula sheni. Orlando Pirates
Esascore
batholile even 5 or more than 5
I was going there.
Yes.
Ukuthi esascore Bobzini ngu 3-0. I know it's a big game. Coach Orlando Pirates has been talking about his team not scoring goals. If coach, I believe, if coach angaya kwi media ati after a 3-0 win, because I remember they won 3-0. I just can't remember against which team. Where Orlando Pirates coach was furious ukuthi the team is not scoring against Maramo Gallants.
Yeah.
He said this team is not scoring enough. They are creating chances, they are not scoring enough. Namhlanje again, so many chances created, but they could only score 3 goals namhlanje.
Yeah, 3 goals Shane, it's more, but it depends ukuthi how many chances were created. It's not a problem to score amagoli angaka. I think score is right, especially udlala idabi kanje, you understand. But if you created more chances then we converted 3, then umaso uyowabheka uyobona ukuthi bekumele ba convert ama chances amaningi thola ukuthi Chiefs omunye umuntu angathi yeah it's a derby ama game angaka sometimes kuyakhona mhlambe nalento ukuthi abadlali babe nokuthuka nani. But uma ungathi uyayibheka Shane ama chances Orlando Pirates wa created le game isaqala Shane isadlala I think boma 3 minutes ngitshelile ngingazange mhlawumbe kuphela ama minutes awungaki ngitheni ku.
You said indlela iqale ngayo Pirates la they might score any minute.
And exactly.
Akhange phele 2 minutes.
Akuzange phele ne 2 minutes because uma ungayibheka Orlando Pirates iqale kahle kakhulu Shane. Ngifuna ukuqala nje kahle kahle nge-losing team Kaizer Chiefs. Ngiyacabanga Shane ukuthi iKaizer Chiefs uma ungabheka the way iqale ngakhona. Yes, Orlando Pirates beyingenhla kubo igame iqala especially first half. But nabo uyabona ukuthi ayikho into mhlawumbe ngathi beyingabenza babe i-threats ku-Orlando Pirates. Number 1 Shane. Bamlethile uVuma today because of ama injuries.
Yeah.
So kwamele ukuthi abuye lo goalkeeper.
Yeah.
Bese ubheka i-defense eKaizer Chiefs. Lamagoli angenile wonke uma ungabheka. Lack of concentration, positioning inside the box. Kuyicostile leya team because uma ungathi uyayibheka the way iKaizer Chiefs i-defende ngakhona uyabona ukuthi akuna understandana Shane lapha kuleya team. Then ubheke the way uMakhupa abadlali ngathi bebawu 5 eboxini if I'm not mistaken uma uMakhupa yokora la ball. And Orlando Pirates beyina 2 oyibambeka fapho you understand. So kukutshelana lokho angeke no6 eboxini uMakhupa ayoza athole la ball.
Free header.
And give credit to Makhupa. Striker Shane sibona ama space afana siyakwazi ukurunela kuma position right. Into right yenzo Makhupa but mase sibheka i-defense eKaizer Chiefs ama mistake silly mistakes wena Shane akumelanga ukuthi ungaconsider kanje. We are playing ne team Orlando Pirates efana neOrlando Pirates, you know very well ukuthi I team enjani. Then ubheke nale goal mhlambe liqeda I think it's goal number 2
or the one ka police.
Yeah, police I think but Orlando Pirates yenze kahle lapha Shane the way badlale ngakhona lapho laborally ubonile ukuthi I shape yale team uzalela yedwa lapha police ustretcha yedwa lapha then uyabona ukuthi bonke babuye phakathi Shane.
And someone is playing one side.
We understand ukhona ubheka exactly Shane njengoba usho. So ubheke goal number 1 it was a set piece Orlando Pirates idlala lama short corners but uma uthi uyabheka ayizange Kaizer Chiefs i-understand lokho ukuthi Pirates always idlala ama short corners. So mina ngicabanga ukuthi bekumele yenze kangcono Shane, especially in the middle of the park. Sibonile uMabuye was fighting first half. The boy was fighting but abubani game time umdlalo ofana no Chislett iyamshaya game time. Umbonile ukuthi after the first half bese ka struggle Shane. Kunenye ibhola litholile decision making phakathi eboxini ukuthi apick a spot abeke lento ekhoneni. Sengiyacabanga ukuthi nayo leyo i-match fitness yamshaya njengoba simbonile second game nama game afana nalawo ayaba drain abadlali but bheka ama winger we-Kaizer Chiefs. Kaizer Chiefs benganawo ama winger afunctionayo first half. Modi yes uzokunikeza lento ifunayo kuya ngedata azazomaka but yini akunikeza yona going forward first half akakunikezanga nix. Hamba ngale kulilepo yini le ulilepo ayenzile going forward is nothing Shane. So uSilver bekazodlala kanjani up front because awunayo no number 10. Awunayo number 10 ofunctional ozokwazi ukuthi bacombine lama passes bakwazi ukuthola lo yamdlalo ofana no Silver. At the end of the day uzomplay uSilver kumele adrake wide ahamba ile abuye umdlalo ofana no Lilepo. Mina namanje njengoba sikhuluma le studio ngendaba yaka Lilepo. Lilepo akadlale lapha kulo position 9 nje. Sibone ukuthi yini angayenza. Njengoba besine topic ngasithi no matter this guy une technique. Uyakwazi ukucontesta kuma aerial ball and uyakwazi ukushield iball.
And so, he scored goals
but the problem Shane kunamabhola wakorayo madlala as a winger. Yilento econvince ukuthi bangamsusi lapha kulama wing because kunelinye ibhola wake walishaya ngiyacabanga last season akhatha adlala ka right. Kunelinye ibhola aqeda ukulikora manje
that game against Marumo
Gallants. Kunelinye manje uqeda ukulishaya adlala ngapha ku right. Last time bekadlala ku left. So lawo magoli lawo sometimes azokwenza ubone ukuthi lo mdlalo lapha khona all right but mina ngiyacabanga mina ngendlela ngibona ngakhona Shane if lo yamdlali angadlala as a striker angabanikeza something. Nanga umdlali la ofana no Gaston Sereno I don't know a problem in unfortunately Shane kunezinye izinto ezenzeka behind the scene angeke sizaza sinawo ama powers but mina ngiyacabanga ukuthi uGaston Sereno kule game bomdinga azodlala as a 10 azokwazi uGaston Sereno kuba i-threat ku Orlando Pirates.
The last derby Bobson
Nedbank
Cup final Gaston Sereno started that game. I don't know, it was Modi won a penalty, Sereno scored the penalty. And Sereno glad derby, he had a good game. And even good derbies as previous, even though Chiefs lost because this was their 5th straight loss against Pirates School League derbies. Sereno every time engena, uyawenza umehluko for Kaizer Chiefs, but it seems like the coaches they don't believe in him.
Yeah, I think so, Shane. That's why there's something behind the scene because at the end of the day simbona kumdlali onikeza iChiefs something especially i-creativity Shane. Uyikora kanjani Orlando Pirates ungana creativity? Umuphi umdlali mhlawumbe azokunikeza something uthi okay ngifuna ukuyoscore until now baletha umdlalo ofana no Velepay kulela side yila ngibona libane winger efunctional. Understand? So Velepay came in and wenza lento kumele ayenze walethile amabhola eboxini and ungambheka ukwazile ukudila nge1v1 neopponent yakhe. So kusho kona ukuthi lo emdlali umdlali mhlambe ongamsebenzisa. We understand. So mina bengicabanga ngisho ukuthi iba abadlali kulama sub abafana nabo Sereno ukuthi bebangenza umehluko but at the end of the day you know a technical team iyo eyazi kangcono ngalabo abadlali Shane but let's give credit to Orlando Pirates Shane. Sibabongise ukuhlala kule position bakwazi ukuthi ba score 3 goals against Kaizer Chiefs ba collected the maximum point clean sheet Shane.
Now also their coaches come under fire. Before Lomdlalo namhlanje there was pressure, you know, coaching these teams, you lose one game or even two, you are under so much pressure. Coach Wadu, there was also talk ukuthi he can't win big games. Remember he only picked up 1 point out of 6 against Sekhukhune. Same against Sundowns. Out of 6, he only picked up 1 point. I think the only team we managed top 3 it was Amazulu. That game was in Durban. Amazulu, I think they were 3rd like him. And remember, there were talks if they won that game, Amazulu were going to be number 1. But Pirates won the game. But now, Orlando Pirates, they played against the Kaizer Chiefs, a big game. Coach Wadu mhlawumbe pressure singathi off a little bit from him.
Yeah, especially when you win a game afana nalawa udlala against the Kaizer Chiefs. Ukhumbule ukuthi kuya ngefootball ese South Africa awinanga 3 points. Win ama points amaningi kakhulu because we are playing against ama rivals. One of the biggest game ekhona South Africa Shane. So into engakutshela yona ukuthi well deserved win ku Orlando Pirates Shane. Ngiyacabanga ukuthi bebayideserve ngani le game chain ubheka idominance yabo de bayenzile chances abawacreateile abadlali beOrlando Pirates they created a lot of chances failing to convert lawo ma chances amaning but for 3 goals I think we must give credit to them ngiyacabanga ukuthi they did very well chain ungabheka ngifuna ukunikeza uSibiya icredit today I think ngibheke ama recovery wakaSibiya today I think he played very well. Usibisi, sorry. I think Usibisi he played very well, Shane. Uma ungabheka namhlanje kuningi akwenzile okuright.
And naye he's been under a lot of pressure naye from the fans.
Kuna jewels awawinile kakhulu. But let's give credit also to coach because if Sibisi begenza ama mistake, besizombuza ukuthi kanti why umikisa uSibisi alokenza ama mistake. But because the coach believes kubadlali bakhe and understand abadlali bakhe ukudlula mina lo ngimela manje ukwazile ukumletha uSibisi because uyazi ukuthi ubaleke kanganani umdlalo ofana noSibisi and he did very well today Shane uma ungabheka abadlali amaningi uwina ama jewels amaningi la khona uSilva yes someone can say beyangana pressure kangaka because the Kaizer Chiefs beyingafiki but lawo mabhola afikayo ukwazile ukudila nabadlali abafana nabo Silva uSibisi so I think we must give credit kulabo badlali bona abosibelebele ukuze ayithole ne man of the match I think badlale kahle kakhulu Shane nangu umdlali ngitshela kahle Shane umdlalo ofana noMbatha Shane usazomdinga emagemini amaningi if uMbatha akekho kuleya midfield Orlando Pirates kuba difficult ukuthi uma khawula function but le double pivot le I think they understand each other badlala abaningi Shane kuya ngokuthi ba understandana kanjani uma badlala kunomunye umdlalo ungamletha but uthole ubona ngathi akusekho into enzakalayo because aba understandana nabo badlali so ngiyacabanga ukuthi le injury yakhe Shane ngifisa ukuthi angashesha Paul uboy ngiyacabanga kule game namhlanje bamlethe angakabi right ngendlela ngibona ngakhona because uyambona ukuthi ulibhandishile lela dolo so let's hope ukuthi uzoba right unfortunately uzomdinga kulawo ma game so kuyomela ukuthi umnikeze lawo ma minutes ashay job uma ceda ukushay job uhambe uyomrest unlike ukuthi uzomdlalisa ama minutes amaningi so lento lengizama ukuyisho Shane ngoMbatha ukuthi ubaleke kakhulu kule qembu leOrlando Pirates ubaleke kakhulu leOrlando Pirates enye into futhi engibhekile bheka labadlali abafana nabo apolice ukuthi bakunikezeni today so ilento Shane uma ngabe ufuna ileague Shane onke ama game wathathe serious ungawachoose ama game onke ama game abalekile but to beat Kaizer Chiefs both deserve ukubetha Shane the way idlale ngakhona and uyayibona nayo uma ngabe Kaizer Chiefs bebangathatha lela jersey bagcokise mhlambe bagcokise labadlali ijezi lePolokwane City bongasho ukuthi Orlando Pirates idlala nePolokwane City ayizange ibe maybe second half la khona ngibone baletha amabhola eboxini and enye into futhi enzekile but because of Orlando Pirates won by 3 goals ama mistake wakaChina handling today amshayile I think 2 yama mistake
one in the first half one
if Kaizer Chiefs beyinabadlali aba brave lama mistake awenzile bekumele manje asakhulumi ngala mabhola la ufana bekumele sesikhulume ngala ma chances eOrlando Pirates iwamistile ukuthi badlale ngama chances that is why badlala idraw or that is why ba lose game so sometimes iwin ikwenza ungabona ama mistake wakho unala khona ngibona abo Tito ba attack Shane this is a league game punish these guys manje kumele bashaye 5 bashaye 5 Shane this is a league game because at the end of the day uzwadinga la magoli if uthola team elahlile Shane phanisha labantu inetha igcwali Shane thina sikhula sazi ukuthi bathi inetha igcwali so but if wena uzofuna ukudlala ngama chances because yes you can manage the game I like that manage the game but if kunalaba lahla khona phanisha labantu Shane but I wish ngathi ungathatha le enye team uyilethe against the Orlando Pirates kule capacity engibona lapha Shane yazi le vibe engibona lapha just ulande enye team nje ungachoose A1 kulama team of 14 akhona la kuPSL uyilethe izodlala neOrlando Pirates
akho team engenagama kuPSL which one
no sengiyasho ukuthi wena ungafuna i-team e1 ucabanga ukuthi uma ungayiletha kule crowd elapha eFNB
Bobson there was Chiefs and Pirates namhlanje wena uthi if ungalethe enye team
nginike homework hamba uyochoose i-team e1 ucabanga ukuthi uma ungayiletha idlala against Orlando Pirates kuleya kulezi ahlwele ngizibona lapha yini ongayibona
name that team what is the name of that team
Shane ngiyacabanga uma ungafika from number 2 kuloko uyofika ku number 16 uzoyithola Shane
all right let's close it Betway Premiership Orlando Pirates just won against Kaizer Chiefs kwi Soweto Derby FNB Stadium so Orlando Pirates 3 Kaizer Chiefs 0 thank you so much for watching iDiski TV
Hola bafethu this is Junior Kanye please subscribe to iDiski TV
This is Bongane Benedict Vilakazi, they call me so. Niyazi bafethu, Amakhosi for life, they are back in winning ways. Please, siyacela ukuthi subscribe iDiski TV.